Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at euro currency. So you can see yes, the market wasn't able to proceed higher, so it shows some kind of reversal action on the daily chart. Actually, when I have prepared the video for the gold market recently, it was a bit contradictory to euro currency because on the gold market more signs of the possible weakness, and it was some hint that probably so it's one or other stop should have problems because on the euro currency we have foreseen this possible upward continuation, while on the gold market it was brighter picture in favor of the downward action. Still, as you can see, despite this drop, it means that the upward action could be postponed, but it's not cancelled totally. So chances still exist that euro currency will proceed higher. It is possible. At the same time, this sign that we've got, reversal action that we have, it's not really very good for short-term perspective, because in fact, guys, we've got the reversal session. Take a look, market has created a new top but closed below the lows of the previous session. Usually this kind of sessions, it's called a reversal session, very rare stops right after the session is completed. So usually they have some continuation. But today, guys, we will get the gross domestic product release for the second quarter in the United States, and it really could be a major driving factor for today. That's why, since the pure bullish setup has not been completed by the market, and the market showing another leg down, I think that's better to wait for the data will be released. Because although the background for the bullish action exists, as I will show you, at the same time, the chances, since market shows the really fast and significant reversal action yesterday, drop further also could happen. So I'll take a look at the follow time frame chart. In fact, we have the background for a scalp long trade, for scalp bullish trade, and this could be used as an opportunity for taking the long position. But in this case, you should know that you will take the risk of the uncertainty on the gross domestic product release, because market expects rather significant numbers. It's 4.2% for the second quarter. It's outstanding levels for United States gross domestic product, because usually the 3% is already counted as high levels, but 4.2 is really significant. So here we have the regardless T+2 buy pattern right at the major 618 support 116.40. It's also this ABC reaction creates an agreement by the Jordan-Napoli framework. So if you would like to try and take a position that level where you could do this and try to buy against these lows, but as I said, risk of the collapse still exists because data could become really positive, and in this case euro currency could drop further. So you should be ready for that, and this is one of the moments that not really very pleasant in the current moment. So on the hourly chart, also we have the pattern that could trigger upward action, at least the minor bounce. This pattern is double repo buy is forming here. So take a look at market stands approximately at the same area where it was, but slightly below the major support. Now it will be kind of the resistance, but honestly speaking, guys, my market mostly stands in this cluster. So you can see this fluctuations rather wide here, and market stands inside of it. And it's kind of a double repo buy is forming, so we have to drop down, close above the 3x3, close below with this session, and close above again. This could trigger the upward retracement. So if you will decide to take the position here, it's a long position trying to anticipate maybe some not very good numbers on the gross domestic product release or something like that, trying to protect your position with a break-even stop as soon as possible. So currently market stands at rather strong support, and some response on this support, at least even technical bounce, maybe if even market will later turn down again, but technical bounce has good chances to happen. And use this bounce for moving your stops to the break-even. Because ahead of the gross domestic product release, this could be a bit dangerous trying to take the position, because you can't control this. It's mostly some kind of the gambling, because you do not know what the numbers will be. But from the technical point of view, yes, some bullish patterns exist. The one moment just I don't like it. It's this really fast dropping. It's a reversal session that we've got. This is not good. And here you should be very careful, as I said, and protect your position as soon as possible with the break-even stop. That's the best way how you could act in the current situation. So that's what we have right now in the euro currency. And if we wouldn't have the data release today, I would say that it's better to wait, because when you see this plunge down, so strong plunge, it usually means that after minor bounce, downward continuation is more probable. But today we have the important statistics, and it's really could reverse the situation, especially if the data will be a bit weaker than expected. Now we're mostly depend on these numbers. So let's see what will happen today, and probably it will be the key moment for the euro currency in the short-term perspective.